Today we're showing you a 2016 Kubota M6060 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA 1154 front end loader. Loader is quick attach. The bucket itself is also quick attach. Has a skid steer style hookup here for your bucket connection. Tractor has, I believe these are rated at 63 horsepower. Double check the listing for exactly there, but I believe that's what they are. A little bit of a ding in the hood here, but overall the paint's in nice shape. The loader does show a little paint fade. Does have the work lights on top of the cab, mirrors on the cab. Also has tinted glass on the cab windows. Kind of a nice feature when the sun is out. It really gives you a little bit more of a break in there. Keeps that cab a lot cooler. Rear work lights on the cab as well. Rear SCV back here. Telescopic links. Has the 540 PTO. Drawbars included. Has the stabilizer bars on it. It's a nice clean tractor, as you can see here. These tractors are very popular. They're perfect for smaller hay operations or handling bales, that type of thing. A nice comfortable suspension seat here for the operator. Tilt steering wheel. Has a hydraulic shuttle which allows you to change direction without clutching. Has the 8-speed transmission. You have 2 ranges on the lever back here, and then 4 gears on the lever up here. Loader control also within easy reach. Rear remote lever, hydraulic remote lever, and your 3-point position and draft control levers over here to the right. PTO switch also over there to the right. Up top you've got climate controls, radio, sun visor. On the floor here you've got the differential lock pedal in the back, foot throttle, individual brakes, clutch pedal. We do take trades. We can take trades from anywhere here within the U.S. Simply text or email us some pictures. We'll be happy to get you a quote on your trade. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. and can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have questions regarding the unit, please contact us. It also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. And again, if you have any questions, please contact us.